What makes a digital wallet truly secure? In a world where our finances are increasingly digital, the question of whether an app can really protect your money from hackers is more important than ever. We're talking about Beam Wallet today, and we'll break down the security measures that stand between your crypto and malicious actors. First, let's get into the core of how Beam operates. It uses a privacy by default protocol called Mimblewimble. This isn't just a fun name, it's a fundamental part of the security architecture. It's designed to make transactions private and untraceable. Unlike many blockchains where transaction data is public, Beam hides the sender, receiver, and transaction amount. This anonymity is a powerful first line of defense. It's like sending cash in a sealed envelope. Nobody knows what's inside or who it's for, except the people involved. But what about the wallet itself? The Beam wallet is a self-custody wallet, which means you, and only you, have control over your funds. The keys to your crypto are stored on your device, not on a centralized server. This is a critical distinction. A hacker can't simply target a single company's servers to steal everyone's crypto. They have to target you directly. The responsibility is on you to protect your seed phrase and keep your device secure. To add another layer of protection, Beam offers multi-factor authentication, MFA. This means even if a hacker gets your password, they can't access your wallet without a secondary form of verification. The app also uses advanced encryption to protect your data. This is standard in the industry, but it's a non-negotiable feature for any secure digital wallet. It's the difference between storing your private key in a locked safe and leaving it on a sticky note. The biggest vulnerability, however, isn't always the technology itself. It's user error. Phishing scams, malware, and other social engineering attacks are often a hacker's go-to method. It's crucial that you never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone, and always verify that any software updates or communications are from the official Beam channels. So, is Beam Wallet really safe from hackers? The short answer is yes. It's designed with robust, industry-leading security features. But its safety ultimately depends on how you use it. Just like a bank vault is only as secure as the person with the key, your Beam Wallet security is in your hands.